What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Nvidia stock. So, guys, this thing is doing a follow-up to the upside, just as how we talked about it yesterday, that it has broken some structures and it will continue to go to the upside. So, we'll talk about how things are looking like. We did 891 was the level I was talking about, that it has a possibility to go all the way up there, and we actually are just over there right now, just a little bit shy of that, but looks like we have touched our base at 891. So we'll see, how the price action evolved in that direction. And you can check out this video of mine from yesterday that I did, Nvidia stock, can bulls take price higher? And this will tell you everything pretty much what its price action is doing today. This is the one here. And so yeah, let's jump right into it, guys. Can this thing go much more higher, or is it still in the downtrend? Because we took a lot of bearish play here, right? And yesterday I talked about, as soon as price went and closed above 863, I said that okay, that's the area, and it is changing the structure again to the upside, and we are getting that. So let's jump right into it. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I'm just providing my opinion. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I play no role and no part in your decision-making process. I'm just sharing what I'm doing and how I'm reading the market, that's all. So we have to go to the hourly interval, but before that, I just want to tell you that this was the area, as I was talking about in my videos, that 825 to 850. This is going to be the last zone of showdown, or the battle, that if bulls wants to rotate it back to the upside, they have to do it over here. It's because this is the support of the distribution phase, and bulls, well, Morgan Stanley came out with the price upgrade, right? So that's what has been pushing it further as well. That was the start. That's allowed the price action to change the sentiment due to Morgan Stanley coming out, right? And then it changed the price structure and action, and then that's what is leading to Nvidia go up. Just real quick, want to show you my day trading bot as well. So far it looks great. Today also got a great buying position. And yeah, still in profit. You can see the area here on the left side, the data. But again, just wanted to show that. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below. I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and Wall Street alerts. All right, so let's go to the hourly interval, and let's talk about a couple of things here. Okay, so we were talking about to watch this level 862, right? And Nvidia just never even broke below that. This is where our significant level is as well. And you can see how well it was holding support here yesterday, right? And so many wicks didn't even break lower and just kept holding support. Today it went back down there and used this as a support and went where? All the way to the level I was talking about, 891. Okay, now here's the important thing. Even though, yes, just as I have been saying, yes, Nvidia has changed the structure to the upside as soon as it broke above 862. And I said that today intraday long can be taken, and that's what happened. My bot also gave the intraday long. Now, here's the thing. 891 is the area we are watching, because that's where we have 200 hours moving average overhead resistance. We also have just above that this 20 days moving average resistance. So I will be doing another video when the market has closed as well. This is a morning update. But what right now, if in the price action, let's go back to the hourly interval. If Nvidia can even close above 877 today, it is still bullish for tomorrow. And the way the strength is looking like on this, the structure right now, it's not weak. Okay, this thing has a room to break through to 20 days and 200 hours moving average. But right now, the next position I would only talk about or take when the market has closed, because the move and the play has already happened, the one that I talked about yesterday for today, right? And all these plays I even cover with you guys in advance. Again, nothing is guaranteed. That's why I have my stop losses as well. But I'm trying to just, when I trade, I try to make sure 80% of confluence is there, and 80% of my time my price targets, my the direction on the stocks, the areas, everything works great. So that's all what I'm trying to do is become net profitable as much as I can and make sure most of my positions are profitable. Again, there's guaranteed of nothing. I have had positions where my stop losses have hit as well. Okay, so it's all about learning the market, learning the technicals over the course of your experience, journey, and time. It takes good time. Okay, so yeah, so as I said, 877 and above, if Nvidia can close above this today, it's still bullish. And tomorrow, there's a possibility it can break above 200 hours moving average and 20 days moving average as well, and above 891. So we'll talk about it more when the market has closed. But so far, yes, Nvidia has been changing the structure. But yeah, this is the area to watch now, 891. Okay, so that's Nvidia, guys. You can see how well it formed the double bottom as well with yesterday over here. So all right, and then change the structure, breaking above 862 and finding really good support over there. All right, guys, so that's Nvidia. Let's just take a look at the broader market as well today, and let's go to the daily interval. So still holding support at that 50 days moving average. Again, I'm still in the camp of this distribution phase. All right, you can check out this video as well of mine, QQQ and SPY, and other some tech stocks I did yesterday if you want to know what I been thinking about it even yesterday. And this thing is still in the distribution phase. It's just taking its sweet time. I would only consider this fully bullish if it can get above 447 and 25 cents. Like again, or if it can continue all-time high, that's the only way. Or price action starts to show me some ladders like going like this, then sure. Right now, it's just chopping around in the distribution phase. See, trying to go up again today. Semiconductors are a little bit up today, right? And look at it, SMCI is up today, and that's what okay, I'll do another video on SMCI because I talked about, hey, wait on SMCI, don't buy it yet. Here we go, short again or wait, right? Yesterday I did this video on my channel. It's right over here. And SMCI, see, has been going up, and that's why I just wanted to wait. And I said that, guys, it has a room to continue up, chop its way up. It's doing that. I'll talk it in another video though. Okay, so we were at QQ looking at that. Yeah, so QQ is chopping around, guys. Distribution phase. SPY is weaker than QQ for sure. It's in a classic this lower highs, lower lows downtrend. And you can also put this in this trend line here for the intraday or swings, right over here. You can see there's this, sort of trend line forming here. Now, is this a bull flag, junior trader? Is this a bull flag? So let's put a channel here. We'll see, guys. I mean, yeah, at this top in the distribution phase, it's hard to say that if it's a bull flag. In my opinion, it's just downtrending. Bull flag has to be very parallel. Okay, it has to be very parallel. Right now, it's not parallel. It's going up, but this one is not able to catch up. So there's more likelihood, in my opinion, for it to go lower. Let's take a look at daily interval on SPY. I still think it's a distribution phase. It will continue. It has a room to continue lower, but there is nothing guaranteed. But just my opinion, guys. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.